Alright, gentle people, yo. Sorry for the voice, man. I don't feel good at all, bro. I never COVID me I catch her or what. See me, but sorry for the voice. You put me at them. But yeah, anyway, Alkaline have a new song named Priority. And like we say, we just have to listen to it, give you honest opinion, give a review, and make you know what we think about the song personally. Follow me TikTok, Jenna One Podcast on TikTok, you see me? Yeah, we are grow up both channel right now. Both platforms, I should say. So come in, make we listen to it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Priority, priority, priority. Priority,
Pause.
priority.
Hold on. You see, a lot of people say the song flop. You see me? So make we give an honest opinion. If a man deserve him flowers, we're gonna give it. Come in.
Priority, priority. Girl, you a priority. Active, baby, stay good, man. Them all love by your body like. When she walk, you could dress her right up, pop out and you capture everybody like. Yes, boo. Coming like night, you, my cute, that's you. And I kept my nose to the hype, true. She not frightened because when she used to the flash life, I'm on a drip. When I time put the script, no it chap, that is it, this on a regular.
Hold on. Come again. Pull up that.
Priority.
Honestly, man song no sound good.
Priority.
You only hear that voice gone.
Priority. Girl, you a priority.
Man song tough now. What's the man song not tough now, bias?
Active, baby, stay good, man. Them all love by your body like. When she walk, you could dress her right up, pop out and you capture everybody like. Yes, boo. Coming like night, you, my cute, that's you. And I kept my nose to the hype, true. She not frightened because when she used to the flash life, I'm on a drip. When I time put the script, no it chap, that is it, this on a regular. Take bitch and sit, click and post and sleep on. Have motion, girl, super thick. Circumstinction up. Girl, you a priority. All in a priority. Girl, you a priority. Priority. Girl, you a priority. Yeah. Little waist make you wanna splurge.
Hold on, dog. You know so now some biased people, dog. Cause I see nothing wrong with the song. The song mellow, dog. The song mellow, the man voice mellow, the man melody mellow, the man flow mellow, the style of the song mellow, rhythm, everything about the song is a good fucking song. I say wow when I say the man song no good, dog. That me not like with dog, that me not like with Jamaican people sometimes, dog. You say once you hate somebody because somebody else and them the deal and you prefer that side there. You not like give people them flowers, dog. Everybody knows say Cartel I don't know is my number one artist. And Cartel come second, of course. You see me? Two man them are my artists. And if them sing fuckery, I got to say them sing fuckery. But if a opposition sing a good song, dog, we'll give them flowers. You see me? And them man they war in our war. Music we love.
Priority for that they not do.
Like, comment, share,
Perfect shape.
subscribe.
Feel great, big bands, spam bands, no fight away your word. Top man, I make you okay. Face up, the girl deserve a bouquet. But me, I say she don't play, put together, she a slay, girl look like bait. Ooh, look a girl pretty like moolah.
Yo.
Have a bouquet.
Hear the man.
Feel great, big bands, spam bands, no fight away your word. Top man, I make you okay. Face up, the girl deserve a bouquet. But me, I say she don't play, put together, she a slay, girl look like bait. Ooh, look a girl pretty like moolah. Kama sutra, skin smoother. Ooh, like scooter. Kama sutra, skin smoother. Ooh, girl, you a priority. All in a priority, girl, you a priority. Girl, you a priority. Girl, you a priority. All in a variety, girl, you my priority, girl, you my priority. Priority, priority, priority. Girl, you my priority, girl, you my priority.
Yo, alright. So that was the end of the song. Alright. May I give the song a 10 out of 10 because me not see nothing wrong with the song. Like I said before, if the opposition is not if the opposition no bow down to who no prefer or no don't like nothing with them put out and start be bias. See me? Alkaline have a lot of hits, and for a man to get so much fight and for a man to stay by himself, we have to give the man him props. You see me? We're not gonna come do a bias thing and try to ride the next man wave. You see me? We're not being a bandwagon thing. You see me? I think Alkaline is a great artist, phenomenal person when it comes to the music industry. I think he produce good music. I think the team we have behind him actually make sure say him have a good catalog, to tell you the truth. Because really and truly, bro, Alkaline don't really have a lot of songs where you can say, this sound horrible. You see me? The man have songs where you can vibe to, you can mix to. Obviously, the songs sound like a little chill vibe, like your woman a drive down the street like me said earlier, and then you can just play the song and say, and the melody when man have in the song, when man say, oh, girl pretty like mo, them thing they make the man song sound very good to me. You see me? The switching of flow and melody and them thing that dog. However, you see me? We can go more in depth and we can use profound words to describe who Alkaline is in the music, but we're not gonna do that because we have understand, so we have our genre of people or different type of people we watch our thing. We don't have the smartest set of people, and we don't have the brightest set of people, I should say, and the dunce set of people. You see me? So we have a mixture of everybody. So we are gonna keep it just like this. Keep it simple, just like the song. The song is a simple song. The song just sounds simple and melodic, dog. You see me? I don't see nothing wrong with the song, bro. No stop walk and create false news and just because you not like the man and Cartel not good. Because we all know Alkaline is a good artist. And Cartel are my artist. The only I'm number one artist and Cartel come second. Them two man are the only two man really and truly listen to me and say, yo, if more want to say, yo, I'm going to turn on some music, like some music when I made certain way. Them man there, you see me? In the Jamaican scene, you see me, a dancehall industry, you see me? But dog, Alkaline priority, tough, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, dog. Me not gonna lie, me not gonna hide and talk. 10 out of 10. Who don't like it, I say it go. But me not gonna be no bias for no man, brother.